So the first thing we're going to do now is we're going to cut and gut our tomato. And we're going to take all the guts out and we're going to put it in this bowl, all the actual pulp out, and we're going to keep that. And we're also going to keep the top. We're not going to throw anything away. So let's just cut the top off real quickly. Okay, here's our top. We're going to keep that, and we're going to put that right there. It's going to be like our lid. And then we're going to take a teaspoon, a teaspoon rather, I'm sorry, and we're going to just spoon out the guts. We're going to do this very carefully because we want to keep this intact. So let's very carefully, just a little at a time. I'm just going to take the pulp out. And if you need to use a knife, because it's a little harder right here in the middle, there we go. And just kind of spoon all this out. And we'll try to definitely do it carefully because we want to keep this intact. Okay, so we pretty much got this gutted. And if you look, see, it's nice and gutted in the middle. We have all of the pulp in this bowl right here. So we're going to take this and we're going to put this on the napkin and let it drain. And then we're going to take our next tomato and do the same. We're going to cut the actual top off, which is going to be our lid, if you notice. And then we're going to save that. And we're going to take our teaspoon here and we're going to gut it. Okay, we pretty much got this one gutted too, the second one. I'm going to save all that pulp right here and see how it's gutted. We're going to take that and we're going to put that on the paper towel and we're going to let it drain.